welcome to another video here at YPS. I'm Sam.
And I'm Rachel.
And Rachel's the newest member of the team here, so tell you what, Rachel, you tell them what you're here to do.
Sure thing. So my background is in fashion marketing, so a company that sells with kitchen and bathroom design as well as our own digital marketing.
Lovely. So what's new at the shop? You're probably wondering, since lockdown and COVID and all these nasty things. Well, we've been making a lot of changes to the business practices and the showroom itself. And in hindsight, now 3 weeks on, actually I think it's improved the customer experience. So let me explain. Well, for a start off, the showroom is now by appointment only. So just think about that for a second. You've got the whole place to yourself and our undivided attention. Nobody to interrupt you, nobody to crowd you or encroach on your personal space. All you need to do is ring us or email us and book yourself a slot.
We'll explain to you what you need to do to help us so that we can do your virtual design and estimate.
Once you've had your virtual design, if you want to proceed, at that stage we'll come to your house and take final measurements and check the spec to make sure that everything's spot on. Then at that point you can come back to the shop, sit with one of our designers in this Covidsafe design lounge and amend away to your heart's content.
Using the twin screen setup, everything you see on my screen
is visible on my screen.
If you need any more information about our design process, just click the link in the text and it'll lead straight to our website.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed the video and that has given you the confidence to come down and visit the showroom.
So thanks for watching.
See you soon.